Learn every day for a better life. Hello and welcome to our video on discovering the art of calligraphy. If you've ever admired beautiful handwriting or wondered how to create stunning lettering, then calligraphy may be the perfect hobby for you. In this video, we'll explore the basics of calligraphy and provide you with a beginner's guide to getting started. What is calligraphy? First, let's define what we mean by calligraphy. Calligraphy is the art of creating decorative handwriting using a variety of writing tools and techniques. It has a long history and is considered one of the oldest and most revered forms of visual art. Calligraphy is often used in a variety of contexts, such as wedding invitations, greeting cards, and even tattoos. Tools and materials. To get started with calligraphy, you'll need a few essential tools and materials. These include a calligraphy pen or brush, ink or paint, and paper. You can find these items at most art supply stores, and there are also many online resources available for purchasing calligraphy supplies. When it comes to choosing a calligraphy pen or brush, there are many different types to choose from. Each has its own unique characteristics and is suited for different styles of calligraphy. Some popular types include the pointed pen, broad-edged pen, and brush pen. Basic calligraphy techniques. Once you have your tools and materials, it's time to start practicing some basic calligraphy techniques. The first step is to practice creating basic strokes and shapes, such as the upstroke, downstroke, and oval shapes. These basic shapes form the foundation of all calligraphy lettering. After you've mastered the basic shapes, it's time to start practicing letter forms. There are many different calligraphy styles to choose from, including Gothic, Italic, and Copperplate. Each style has its own unique characteristics, so it's important to choose a style that resonates with you. Tips for practicing and improving. As with any art form, practice is key when it comes to improving your calligraphy skills. Some tips for practicing and improving include setting aside dedicated practice time each day, studying the work of other calligraphers, and experimenting with different techniques and styles. Advanced techniques and next steps. Once you've mastered the basics of calligraphy, you can start exploring more advanced techniques and styles. Some popular advanced techniques include flourishing, which involves adding decorative elements to your lettering, and lettering on different surfaces, such as wood or glass. Another important aspect of calligraphy is finding your own style. While it's great to start by learning the basics and practicing established styles, the ultimate goal of calligraphy is to create something unique and personal. Experiment with different lettering styles and techniques, and don't be afraid to try something new. As you develop your own style, you'll find that calligraphy becomes even more fulfilling and satisfying. Finally, one of the great things about calligraphy is that it can be a form of meditation or mindfulness practice. As you focus on the intricate movements of your pen or brush, you can enter a state of flow and become fully immersed in the present moment. This can be a great way to reduce stress and improve your overall mental health and well-being. So whether you're looking for a new hobby or simply want to improve your handwriting, calligraphy is a rewarding and enjoyable pursuit that can offer numerous benefits. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to discovering the art of calligraphy. Whether you're looking to create beautiful wedding invitations or simply want to improve your handwriting, calligraphy is a fun and rewarding hobby to explore. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if you don't get it right on the first try. With patience and dedication, you'll be creating stunning calligraphy in no time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to make your life better.